Saya usaha.
Kalau nggak apa sih bahasa Inggris saja. My name is Denny. I'm a outdoor activity natural college student.
Can you speak louder, please? Come closer to the microphone. And you can speak a bit slower. Thank you, Danny. Thank you.
Before I ask, I want to listen to my story. I'm a Muslim before, but I'm early. Like my parents that's divorced. I'm a broken home child since a long time ago. I was trying to find a peace, but I not found in my family. Until finally I started to move from one ideology to another ideology, like socialism, communism, or even Satanism. And then at the time I find you in YouTube with the answer that my logic can accept, and then I'm very interested. But there's an unanswered question until now. Even I hijrah and ask to many ustad around me, I'm saya tidak puas dengan jawaban mereka gitu.
And I wasn't satisfied.
He's not satisfied with the answers from other people. Yep.
And my question to you, Dr. Zakir Naik, why Allah create us?
Kenapa Allah menciptakan kita?
If Allah already know the beginning and the end, why Allah create the world if Allah would destroy in the end?
Pada akhirnya akan
And
dihancurkannya.
why Allah create us and create our enemy too?
Kita juga.
As if Allah trying to reduce us, made us battle each other,
dan memerangi satu sama
same
lain.
as to be Allah personal choice.
Can you repeat your question, please? Why did Allah create us when He knows our beginning and end? What is the next part? Can you repeat your last question?
Oh,
Why did Allah?
yang terakhir.
Boleh diulangi, Mas? Kenapa Allah?
Why Allah create us? If He know,
apabila dia ketahui bahwa
Allah already know the beginning and the end.
ada awal dan ada
Why Allah create
Kenapa,
the world if
ciptakan
Allah
dunia,
will destroy in the end?
pada akhirnya akan dihancurkan.
Why Allah create us
Kenapa Allah
and
menciptakan
create
kita
our enemy
dan menciptakan musuh
as
kita?
if Allah trying to
Seolah-olah Allah
reduce
ingin
us,
mengurangi kita,
made us battle
karena
other,
kita perangi satu
same
sama
as
lain.
to be Allah personal toys.
Dan
And that
The last question, sorry, the last sentence.
menjadikan
as personal toys.
menjadikan kita
Allah has
mainan.
made us as personal choice.
Toys.
Mainan.
Toys. Games. It's like a game. Why did Allah create us
Mengapa
only
Allah
to destroy
menciptakan kita
us?
hanya untuk
Why did
berusaha?
Allah bring the enemies?
Last sentence only.
The toys.
Yang terakhir,
The last question.
sepertinya Allah itu menciptakan kita kayak boneka gitu.
Like dolls,
Jadi Dia
like toys.
membuat kita, udah menciptakan musuh kita, Dia menciptakan
Create
kita,
our enemies.
tapi istilahnya Dia mengadu domba kita
They
gitu.
are making us fight with
Kenapa
each
Dia
other.
menciptakan kita kalau misalnya Dia tahu awal dan akhirnya,
First place.
Dia juga menciptakan musuh kita gitu.
And then also create our enemies.
And that all my question. If I jika saya setuju dengan jawaban Dr. Zakir Naik, then I will consent become saya akan menjadi seperti Dr. Zakir Naik kalau misalnya Dr. Zakir Naik bisa menjawab pertanyaan saya.
I will be try to be
So his question revolves around, why did God create us only to destroy us? Why did God create us like toys? Yeah. Why did God create us like toys so we can fight each other, so we can be enemies with one another, only to destroy us later on? And his promise is that he has searched all over YouTube and all over his ecosystem to find out the answers. And if you can give him the right answer today, he will revert back to Islam, inshallah.
Islam kembali,
Inshallah. The brother posed the question that he was born in a Muslim family,
Dia lahir di Muslim, keluarga
and then
Muslim,
there was divorce
dan ada
amongst his
dan masuk komunisme, sosialisme,
and various different
dan
isms.
isme-isme lainnya, dan
Then He went on the
dan
YouTube.
Lihat YouTube.
He saw my video
Dia
cassette.
lihat
Was
video
impressed.
saya, dia sangat
Which
tertarik,
answered many of his questions.
yang dapat menjawab
But
banyak
yet he had
pertanyaan.
one
Namun
question
ada
which he
pertanyaan
asked
yang
many
dia
ustaz but could not
tanyakan
get the answer.
banyak ustaz namun
And if he
tidak
gets
bisa,
the
dan
answer,
apabila
inshallah
dapat
he'll come
jawabannya
back.
dia akan masuk Islam.
And the brother's question is
Dan
that Allah
ini adalah
subhanahu
Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala
knows
mengetahui
our beginning and our end.
awal dan akhir.
Why does He create
Mengapa
us when He knows
dia
our beginning and
menciptakan
knows
kita
our end?
meskipun tahu ada awal dan akhir?
He creates
Dia
enemies
menciptakan musuh kita
and
dan
He destroys us.
dia kemudian merusak
So,
atau menghancurkan kita.
Why is He doing all this?
Mengapa Tuhan
Just like
melakukan
puppets.
seolah-olah kita adalah mainan,
Making us like puppets, He's creating us,
seolah-olah
making
kita
us
adalah
fight.
wayang bertarung dengan satu sama lain. Mengapa?
What you have to understand,
Apa yang harus difahami saudaraku?
sorry, what you have to understand,
Harus
that Allah
difahami
says
adalah
in the
Allah
Quran, in
menyebutkan
Surah
dalam
Al-Mulk,
Al-Quran,
chapter 16, verse number 2, Alladhi khalaqal mauta wal hayata. Allah has created death
Allah telah
and life
menciptakan
to
hidup dan
test
mati
which of you is good indeed.
bisa,
This life, you should understand,
menguji.
brother, is a test for us.
Ini adalah sebuah ujian untuk kita.
Now this life,
Sekarang
that
hidup
test
kita
for us,
yang adalah suatu ujian
many
untuk kita.
people ask,
Banyak orang
Allah
menanyakan,
knows
Allah tahu
what you are going to do.
apa yang Anda akan lakukan. Betul?
Allah knows.
Allah tahu.
He knows our
Dia tahu
beginning,
awal
He knows
kita,
our
dia tahu akhir kita.
He knows we are going to fight.
Dia tahu Anda
So why
akan
He created
bertarung.
us?
Jadi kenapa kita diciptakan?
I'll give you a small example.
Saya
so you
kasih
can understand.
contoh agar Anda bisa
Regarding
mendapatkan
test.
pemahaman mengenai
This
ujian.
life is a test for
Hidup
us.
ini adalah ujian untuk
If
kita.
there is a teacher
Apabila ada seorang guru dalam kelas
teaching 100 students,
mengajarkan
after she
1000
teaches for a
siswa,
year,
setelah mengajar selama
before the
setahun,
examination,
sebelum ujian,
the teacher says,
guru akan
this
bilang,
student will
siswa
come out
ini
first class first.
dia
This student
akan
will
keluar,
come out second
dia
class.
akan
This
keluar
student,
kedua,
he will fail.
dia akan gagal.
I'm just giving example. Don't feel bad, brother.
Saya hanya kasih contoh, jangan merasa
Now,
buruk.
after
Sekarang,
the examination
setelah
takes
ujian
place,
tersebut,
this student does come out first class first.
ada yang
this student
keluar
gets second class,
dan ada
that
yang
student
rank
fails.
kedua dan ada yang gagal
I'm
juga.
asking the question.
Saya
The
menanyakan
student that failed,
yang gagal,
can he blame the
apakah
teacher
dia bisa
saying,
menyalahkan
because you
guru karena
predicted I will fail,
Anda
I failed?
prediksi saya gagal, maka saya
Can
jadi
he blame?
gagal. Apakah bisa disalahkan?
And the answer is no.
Jawabannya
The
adalah
teacher
tidak.
predicted
Guru
because the teacher
prediksi
knows
karena guru
that this
tahu
student is
bahwa
always studious, always
dia
does the
adalah
homework.
rajin,
This student
selalu
partly,
PR,
this student
yang
bunks the
ini,
class, plays hooky,
boros,
goes to see movies, doesn't do the homework.
nonton film dan tidak mengejar
But
PR.
when the teacher
Tapi
predicts,
ketika guru
when the
prediksi,
examination results are out,
hasil ujian
whatever the
keluar,
teacher predicts
apapun
comes
yang
out.
mungkin bisa jadi
Now
benar.
Allah subhanahu wa
Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala
has sent us in this
telah
world as a
mengirimkan kita
test.
di dunia sebagai sebuah
The
ujian.
rules and regulations
Aturan dan regulasi
for the examination are
untuk
given
ujian
in the Quran.
tersebut ada di Al-Quran.
Now Allah
Sekarang
subhanahu wa
Allah
ta'ala
Subhanahu wa
knows in
Ta'ala
advance
tahu
that this student will
bahwa
going to be good.
ini siswa ini
He will pass
akan
the test,
lolos
he will
ujian,
go to Jannah,
akan masuk
this student
Jannah,
will fail, he will
siswa
go to
ini
Jannah.
akan gagal dan
But
masuk
the choice
neraka.
is yours.
Namun pilihannya itu adalah
choice is yours.
pilihan Anda.
The teacher gave you choice
Guru
to study
memberikan
or not to study.
pilihan
Just
untuk
because
belajar
the
atau
student
tidak.
did not come
Hanya
to class,
karena
did not do
siswa
the
tidak
homework,
kerjakan
and he
PR, tidak
failed.
masuk dan dia
And
gagal.
then the teacher predicts
Kemudian
he will fail. So
guru
will you blame
prediksi,
the teacher
apakah Anda
or
akan
will you
salahkan
blame the
guru
student?
atau salahkan siswa?
There is something like qadar.
Ada beberapa hal seperti qadar.
There is something like destiny.
Ada
I know
suatu
it's
hal
difficult
seperti,
because when I'm speaking, somebody is translating. The
suatu-
translation will not be up to the mark.
Mungkin tidak akan seperti
Hope you
sesuai.
understanding, brother.
Mungkin Anda dapat paham.
Are you understanding?
Apakah Anda paham?
Ngerti mas?
I know what you say ayat Al-Mulk chapter 2 alladzi khalaqal mauta wal hayata liyabluwakum ayyukum ahsanu amala. I know that, but